You standing next to a car with the hood open. Got engine knock? Don't panic. Let's fix it quickly. Here's how. First, check your oil. Low or dirty oil can cause knocking. Top it off or change it if needed. You holding an oil dipstick, checking the level. Make sure you're using the right oil for your car's make and model. You standing by the gas tank, showing a gas cap. Next, check your fuel. Poor quality fuel can cause knocking. Use high-octane fuel if needed. Turning the ignition key and listening to the engine sound. Is your timing off? A misfire or bad spark plugs can cause knocking.